Thinking about DIY foundation repairs, you might want to think twice before grabbing that toolbox. So, here's the deal with foundation repairs. It's way more complicated than just slapping on some patchwork. First off, you gotta know what kind of foundation issue you're dealing with, whether it's cracks, sinking, or water damage. If you try fixing it without the right tools or knowledge, it could end up worse, like causing structural damage or making your house unsafe. Always start by checking for signs like uneven floors, cracks in walls, or doors that don't shut right. If you spot those, it's a red flag that you should call in a pro. Even if the problem seems small, foundation issues usually mean deeper problems underground that you can't see. Professionals have the equipment to assess the soil condition and foundation stability properly, stuff you just can't do yourself. Plus, a bad fix could cost way more in the long run, so it's better to be safe than sorry. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair is trying to handle it on their own without proper knowledge or tools. This can lead to incomplete or temporary fixes that don't hold up. Another common issue is ignoring early warning signs like small cracks or sticking doors because they seem minor. This just lets the problem get worse and more expensive over time. The third is hiring unlicensed contractors, or using cheap materials to save money, which often results in poor quality work that fails quickly. To fix these mistakes, always get a professional inspection first, act promptly when you notice issues, and choose licensed experts who use quality materials and proven methods. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about foundation, repair, and other big jobs. It also helps contractors find work easily by linking them with people who need reliable home improvement services, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.